The biggest technology shift I think that's going to change in 2018 is around AI and voice. There's so much data people can't keep up. And there was a really nice line that we opened the conference with, and it was this idea that the world is going to change more in business over the next 5 years than it has over the last 20. So huge disruption. And people are really struggling to keep up. So we just said, look, the best piece of advice that we could give, and the most successful businesses in the world that we work with have a really simple strategy. They just focus on 4 areas. They look at what's their strategy, what's their data, what's the platform that they use, and what's their experts. So the data is difficult because 90% of it was created in the last 12 months. It's so much, you can't keep up. Your platform. You need to make sure that you've got a stable platform that can plug in all of this data from anywhere. So as your company grows, your platform grows and you can still stay in touch with your customers. You've got to make sure that you've got the right strategy in place, just because businesses get disrupted all the time, new disruptive technologies. But the thing that I love the most about today is that the most important part of all of that is the people. The people are most important, and you should spend more money in your people and investing in your team than the technology. So the best advice to the trend, AI is important, but I like to look at it like an IA. So tools like Watson are just helping you to do your job faster. It's just like having the best assistant by your side all the time. There's an article that I spoke about this morning, and it's from Harvard Business Review, and it talked about your strategy needs a strategy. It's one of the best articles that I've read about trying to build what type of strategy you should have. And the reason it was important was because it was saying that 80% of businesses have exactly the same strategy. You have one strategy meeting at the beginning of the year, you have an annual review, you've got monthly KPIs, you have a quarterly business review, and everybody meets to go through that. Everybody works the same way. Some businesses, though, need to reinvent themselves every few months. Some need a 6-week strategy. I was with an insurance company last week. They've got a 6-week strategy. Some have a rolling 30-day strategy. So keeping up and being agile, super difficult. That's where you need good people and good technology partners to help you keep up.